Good morning. Day 5. It is raining outside, so I woke up early this morning at like 6:30, and it was already raining. So I slept for a couple more hours, and then I woke up and it was still raining. So I slept for a couple more hours, and it's still raining. So now it's still raining. So I think I might start packing my stuff up. Hopefully the rain slows down a little bit. But if not, I might just tough it out and see how wet I get in 6 miles. I do have a poncho. I can throw the poncho on. I just hate hiking in a poncho. Yeah. So, get stuff packed up here and see how it goes. Let's do this. Day 5. I have decided to head out. It is probably close to noon. It is still raining. I swear, as soon as I started packing up my stuff, it started raining harder. But you know, that's how it goes out here in the wilderness. It's a cool little creek. Probably isn't there except for when it's raining. Yeah, so far the trail is, I've only gone about a half a mile or so, and a quarter mile maybe. But the trail is muddy. Whoa! One thing I'm curious about is how you pro hikers out there keep all your stuff so dry when you're packing up your tent and packing it in your bag. I know a lot of you will probably just say, oh, we just get wet and you deal with it. But I know there's got to be some tricks. You should leave some tricks down in the comments. Oh, some cool things out here in the nature. Just thinking it was kind of weird that they say there's no water for that campsite, but I've crossed 3 streams already. Anyway, here's a stream. Goes directly under a tree. Comes out the other side. That is some cool stuff. Check this out. I found this little creek here. I think you can see it through the trees. It then goes off the cliff and down the cliff side. A couple miles in, the rain seems to have slowed way down. It might have stopped. It might just be drippage off the trees. But yeah, the mud on the trail is killing me. Another beautiful little cascade of water. I'm assuming most of these aren't here except for the fact that it's raining. Otherwise, I think they would be dried up. It said there was no water here. But behind me here is another testament of the mud that I've been challenging. Look at this mess. To battle such things as the mud and the water, I would highly suggest keen hiking boots. I don't remember the actual name of them. I think it started with a T, but I mean it was like number 2. But they're waterproof hiking boots, and they are amazing. Super comfortable, super durable. I am not sponsored by them whatsoever. I just have used them for years, and I
use them all the time. I even have a pair of Keens for my daily shoes. But I step in tons of mud, tons of water, and my feet stay nice and dry. So, I recommend them highly. They are a little pricey, but it's definitely worth it. They're durable, they hold up for years. These ones here, they still look fairly new. I've had them for 2 years now. Waterfall. Awesome. There's a trail over here. Pretty cool. Here we go. I lost count, but I think this is like waterfall number 18 and 19. There's a waterfall every like 500 feet. Alright. Alrighty, my friends. We are here walking up to the parking lot. Oh, I am exhausted. I don't think I ate enough for breakfast this morning. My tummy is growling. And the trail just disappeared and turned into a river. Alright, well, this is it, I guess. 42 miles. Well, no, it's not it. We got Munsing Falls. I'll see you in a moment. That was not the right parking lot. I was just a little too eager, I guess. But it was a little ways down. It was like a quarter mile further down. That's why the trail turned into a river. Anyway, now we have, it's at a quarter mile round trip, so that's right around the corner. It's Munsing Falls, which is the very end of the Pictured Rocks trail. So, I dropped the pack at the bench back there. And we're walking up the river to see the falls. And I got a glimpse of the trees. Wow. Pretty cool. That must be waterfall number 20. Alright. Well, That's it for the Pictured thru hike. Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. Till next time, signing off.